still here sa office. Just got my coffee. Then, after Schaefer, I'm gonna go directly to Partas for our 24-hour trip to La Union. Hey guys, so my shift is done. I'm just waiting for my Grab going to Partas in Pasay. So it's weekend. Artin po. We are back in Elio again. Lalakad na kami going sa aming accommodation, which is Russia. It's very comfortable, very aesthetic. Ang linis ng kanilang rooms and also their CRs. And it's very walking distance lang sa lahat. Like, near siya sa mga places or spots here in LU. I think 3 minutes away from 7-Eleven. So, ito yung pinagsistayan namin. So, ito yung Russia Transient. Kung nakikita nyo guys, pagkaliko ng bus, ito yung unang makikita nyo. So, yan yung pagsistayan namin. Hey guys, so tapos na kami mag-freshen up. We are going to our first stop, which is Stoke House. Nakikita lang namin sa TikTok. And di pa kami nakarating doon ever. So we're going to Stoke House. It's still 3, like almost 4 p.m. Pero medyo makulimlim. Sana wag umulan. Ito ang pila sa El Chapos. Kasama to sa list namin here sa LU after Stoke House. Hey guys, we're now here at El Chapos. Kaso sobrang daming tao. Buti nakahanap na kami ng table. And also nakapag-order na kami. Alright guys, so here na yung order namin. We just ordered soft tacos and horchata. This is going to be our dinner. Let's try. Kain ko muna ng lime. Then this white sauce. Dapat siguro dalawang. Ay, dalawang. Ay! Shit! Ano ma? Ay, shit. Nuunahin pa tayo ng pusa. Mm. Yep. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Hey guys, so we're back in our hotel room. So, after kami nag-El Chapo, pumunta kami, nagpa-massage. Kasi galing pa kaming shift, wala pa kaming tulog. And medyo pagod sa biyahe. Of course, alam nyo na, mga trentahin. And after that, we went to Port San Juan to look for new coffee shops. But I think wala pa rin. SOC pa rin yun nandun. So, then after that, since kahit nag-dinner na kami sa El Chapo, nagutom kami, nag-crave pa rin kami ng empanada. So we ate empanada. Then yeah, we went back here sa hotel because we need to wake up early kasi we are planning to have our breakfast at Karuba. Hindi kami nakapagpunta last time that we were here. So good night. See you tomorrow. Good morning. It's 5:30 a.m. in the morning. Punta kami sa beach bago kami pumunta ng Karuba because Karuba will open at I think 7:30, so we still have 2 hours to check out the beach. Hindi pa kami nakapag-beach. Hindi naman kasi kami naliligo sa beach. More on coffee shops and restaurants kami pag nasa LU. So yeah, papunta kami ngayon ng beach front. Dito kami dumaan sa Fat Wave kasi masyadong malayo pag sa kabilang part pa. Pwede rin mag-breakfast dito. Nag-breakfast kami before, I think last year. Diyan kami nakaupo. So here's the beach.
Ganda. Ganda.
We are now here at Karuba.
Wala kang mic?
Okay lang.
Hindi pa na mag-topic pa.
So we're here na at Sakaruba. First taste of the egg pie. Sarap. You like it?
Masang egg pie.
Sarap din. Sarap ng egg pie nila. Super. Basta ube. Ano yan? Ube Spanish roll. Okay din. So yeah, we like the food here. Super dami rin talaga tao, guys. Like, pila sa labas. Pero hindi siya like mainit kasi maraming fan. Kahit mainit sa labas, presko sa loob. Hey guys, so dito na kami sa Louis house. This is an old house turned into coffee shop. Ganda. This is the place. Tingin sa loob niya. These are their pastries. So nice. Hello guys, so we ordered this matcha. Para siyang matcha chocolate sa ibabaw. Tapos yung parang yung Korean chocolate cake, per sarap niya. And also yung blueberry muffin. We also ordered, sa kanya is iced mocha and ako iced latte. Sarap and very mura yung food nila. Also their coffee, very affordable. Ang ganda ng lugar. and also napakatahimik. Hindi siya magulo at napaka-presko. Hey guys, so we just checked out from our hotel sa Rocha Transient and we are now just spending our last hours here at Stoke House. Kasi nga nagustuhan namin yung lugar since yesterday. Really love it here kasi napakatahimik, walang tao, at harapan mo yung dagat. Guys, so again, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you like our video, our 24-hour stay here at La Union. Sobrang silaw. Thank you guys. See ya.